Hey, what's up guys? So I want to make a quick video on the Kia Forte fob. So it looks just like this. This is a 2019 Kia Forte. Press this button. Your key will come up. Press it, put it back down. Now on the main thing you have lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic mode. So you look at it, press lock, the lights goes on, you press it again, beeps. You open it up, the second one you open up. And now to open the trunk, you hold down the trunk button and the trunk open up. And that's how you do it. Very nice fob. Well, if you have any question at all, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.